Hi guys, I'm Ned Michelle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this DIY fireplace and also show you me decorating it as well, so stay tuned. So what you're going to need is 7 small boxes. I picked them up from Home Depot. Also 2 rolls of peel and stick paper. I'll insert the inches in the description box because I initially only picked up 1 roll and I had to order another one from Amazon. And also you're going to need tape, and optional is 2 black poster boards. So first I'm just starting off by taping up all 7 boxes. Okay, so after I'm done taping all 7 boxes individually, I'm going to tape 2 boxes together. So I'm going to initially tape 2 boxes together, and then I'm going to tape another 2 boxes together. Those are going to be the sides. And then I'm going to end up taping 3 boxes together, and that's going to be the top of the fireplace. So you'll see it all combined here. Okay, so now I'm going to tape all of the boxes together. So those boxes that I initially created as the base, that's going to be at the bottom, and I'm going to place those 3 boxes that I taped together at the top to create the fireplace. Okay, so now I have the peel and stick. So I'm just moving it around, trying to figure out like where I want the pattern to start. So I'm just kind of just moving the peel and stick around here, and this is going to be pretty much the base, because based on how I place this peel and stick, that's going to determine how I place the peel and stick throughout the rest of the fireplace. So I'm just trying to make sure that I like how it looks, and then once I figured out how I wanted it, I cut it based upon the length that I needed for that side. And also, just based upon that length that I cut for that side, I checked it to see would it fit the middle as well. So I was just trying to get an idea to see if I had enough of the peel and stick, which I didn't. And I had to order some more from Amazon. So to avoid that, I would initially say just order 2 larger rolls so you won't have to wait like I did. I had to wait like a week because Amazon is taking forever to ship now. Even though I have Prime, it doesn't seem like it. So yeah, it took a week for me to get the other peel and stick that I needed to finish this project. But yeah, so once I measured that, I just cut that to size as well, and then I just started peeling and placing the peel and stick. Now with this peel and stick, I'm not a huge fan of it because throughout me actually using the peel and stick, it did actually throughout me actually using the peel and stick, it did start wrinkling. So, and it's very thin and it did tear easily too. When I actually how they have it on the roll is like tape at the end, so when you initially start peeling it, it tears easily. So I didn't like that about that, but it was pretty cheap. So if you want a heavy duty peel and stick, I would say possibly just go with a different brand. But I love the look of this and I love the style, and it's really cute. So I still recommend it for the look, but you may experience some wrinkling throughout. But I feel like with this pattern, it's pretty hard to tell. You can't tell. I can tell because I did it, but anybody else, they can't tell. Now, how to make the process easy when you're peeling it, don't remove all of the the backing at once, remove it as you go, and that just makes their process easier. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just removing it as I go, and then I'm just placing it on the cardboard boxes. Okay, so I'm just doing the same throughout. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the process. You can actually watch me stick the peel and stick to the boxes. So I'm just going to speed it up right here. Okay, another issue that I faced is when I received my second roll of peel and stick, it was kind of hard to match it up with the peel and stick I already had on there. I don't know if it's because it was a different roll length, if that was the reason why, but it was a little bit difficult trying to get that to match up. But overall, it still came out pretty well. I'm excited about that. I still love the look, but it can be a little hard to get everything to line up perfectly so the bricks can match. But overall, I feel like, it still looks really good just based upon this pattern. But that is something to keep in mind as well. So I really like how it looks right here. I was going to leave it at that, or I was going to, I had some peel and stick left over, and I was going to use that for the back of it, just so it can give it that brick look at the back of the fireplace. But I didn't because it wasn't wide enough, so it left like a gap in between trying to connect it to the back of it. And I thought that if I get a black poster board, that would look really good. So I went to Walmart. I picked up two black poster boards. I used one at the back, and then I cut one the size to put at the bottom as well. I cut out a piece and it was too small. So what I did was I just put the black poster board on the floor, and then I slid the fireplace over it, and then I taped it to the cardboard that I taped to the back of the fireplace. So I'll kind of show that in here. I don't know, hopefully I explained that well enough, but yeah, that's how I did that. And for the decor, I picked up my decor from Dollar Tree. So I got these two stocking like decor pieces that say Merry Christmas on them. And I also have this Merry Christmas sign. And then I got some garland as well to put on the fireplace. And I really like how it turned out. And I think I spent probably about $8 or $9 on the decoration. So very affordable. And overall, I would say the fireplace, I probably spent under $50 creating this fireplace because I would say the most expensive would be the peel and stick. So I'll be sure to link everything down below. But yeah, I definitely think the total was under $50. Yes, I loved how it turned out. What do you guys think about it? Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Have you seen this? I initially seen this on TikTok. And I was like, oh my gosh, I want to create it but make it my own way. So that's what I did. And yeah, would you do this DIY? I feel like this is like a perfect decor piece to put in your house for the holidays. And I feel like it's a great photo op too. Like, I'm going to use this as a background for like Christmas pictures too. So I feel like it's like great for that as well. So yeah, let me know if you're going to recreate this below. And if you do, let me know how it turned out. And thanks for watching. Bye.